ahead and create our food component. Okay, so we go to our components folder, we create a new file. We're going to call it food component. It has to be a JSX file. And in here, we're going to create our component with style. So our component is going to take two props. The first one is going to be the item, and the next one is going to be on press. And we're going to return a touchable opacity. So our touchable opacity is going to have a style. So our style is going to be a wrapper. Okay. So here we need to utilize our styles. So we're going to create one with the name wrapper. So this wrapper is going to be similar to the one that we use for our store component. So we can copy the props from, you can copy the whatever is inside of our style object and bring it here, paste it, and we save. Okay. So now we need to focus inside. Next, we're going to have an image. So the image is going to be the same. So we're going to just take the network image that we have inside of our store component, and we're going to paste it in here. Let's format our code a little bit, but we need to import this network image. Okay. So our network image has been imported right on top, but for the size, it has to be 60 here. Here it's going to remain 5 by 8, but for the image, we're going to access the array that we have and take the first image. So if we visit our data and we go to, it's going to be our foods. So if we take a look at the way our images are, our images are in an array. So we're going to take the first object of that array, the first item of that array. So that's why we have this list. We're accessing the list and we're taking the first item, which is index 0. Okay. So we're done with that part. Right at the bottom, we're going to have a text. So our text is going to be item.title like that. And we need to give it a style. And our style is going to be similar to the one that we have in our store component. So we're just going to copy these two and we're going to paste them down below here. So for this one, the style is going to be mapped to the heading. So we're going to access our styles and we're going to map it to the heading. That's going to be the first. And then next, we're going to go ahead and have delivery. Okay. Another text. So we might as well just copy this one and put it down, and we have to make this small. Here we have to map it to time and just mention what the time is, or like what and mention like what is the time for. Okay, it's going to be delivery time over here, and let's go ahead and save. So next we're going to go back to our food list. So here, instead of having this view, we're going to have our food component. We need to import our food component and we need to close it. After we close, then we need to pass the props. Okay, so the first one is going to be item. For the item, we're going to map it to this item. Right after that, we're going to require on press. On press, we have to map it to, we have to just give it an empty function for now, like that. So here we do have a problem because we didn't import colors and sizes. Okay, so we need to do this colors and we also need sizes. So let's go ahead and do that. Have our sizes, then we're going to save again. So now we have our list. Okay, we have to push our list a little bit inside somehow so that we can have this. We can have this list aligned to our heading. Okay. So let's see how best we can do it. So we have to come to our list, our new foods list, top row. Let's cut this flat list and we are going to put it in a view. And we're going to add a little bit of style to our view. So first, let's format our code. And here we need style. So we're going to style this inside. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to have margin left. So for margin left, we have to give it a 12. Okay, so that's exactly what we need. And at the bottom, we are going to give it a margin of 10. So it's going to be margin bottom, and we have to give it a value of 10, something like that. So we are done with this part.